What a woman feels and thinks when you stop looking for her. Hey there, it's Anna. Ever pondered over the age-old saying, absence makes the heart grow fonder? Today we are diving deep into the female psyche to decode just that. We'll explore the whirlwind of emotions and thoughts a woman goes through when the man she's interested in seemingly pulls away. By the end of this video, you will gain an insight into her world, offering a fresh perspective on the intricate dance of pursuit and retreat. Ready to discover what really goes on behind those introspective glances and contemplative moments? Let's delve into this intriguing emotional journey together. Confusion. Why did he stop pursuing me? Did I do something wrong? The sudden halt of attention can be puzzling for her, especially if she felt the connection was genuine. This abrupt change can make her wonder if something she did or said was misinterpreted, or if there was a specific event that caused the change in behavior. Such shifts can lead to feelings of insecurity or doubt about the bond that she perceived was forming. Self-reflection. She may reassess her behavior, conversations, and actions, wondering if she inadvertently gave a wrong signal. Given the change, it's only natural for her to review past interactions for clues. She may dissect previous conversations, reanalyze shared moments, or even discuss the situation with friends, trying to pinpoint if she unintentionally signals disinterest or said something that might have been misconstrued. This phase can be a journey of introspection, trying to understand the dynamics of the connection. A sense of challenge. Some women may see it as a challenge and can feel a renewed interest in pursuing you. Not every reaction is rooted in doubt or insecurity. For some, the unexpected withdrawal can pique their interest even more. It can become a challenge for her, thinking that maybe she needs to be more proactive to figure out what led to the sudden change. In this situation, the ball might land in her court as she contemplates taking the initiative. Loss of interest. Thinking maybe the connection wasn't as strong as she believed. There's also the possibility that she may interpret the decreased pursuit as a sign of your disinterest. If she senses that the emotional investment isn't mutual, she might choose to protect her feelings by distancing herself as well. It's a self-preservation mechanism wherein she may think it's best to move on if the interest isn't reciprocated. Self-esteem concerns. Doubts about her attractiveness or worthiness might arise. When someone stops showing interest, it's natural to look inward and question yourself. She may begin to wonder if she was enough or if there was something lacking. These self-deprecating thoughts, whether they are about her looks, personality, or something she said, can chip away at her self-esteem, making her question her worth in the dating realm. Relief. If she felt overwhelmed or pressured, she might appreciate the space. Not all pullbacks are met with disappointment. If she felt that things were moving too swiftly or that there was a lot of pressure, this sudden distance can be a welcomed break. It gives her time to breathe, think, and approach the connection with more clarity. Curiosity. Has he found someone else? What changed his interest? Human nature thrives on curiosity, especially in situations where patterns change. She might speculate about the reasons behind your sudden change in behavior. Thoughts like, is there someone else in his life? Or did something significant happen that shifted his perspective? Can occupy her mind, leading her to seek answers either directly or through mutual acquaintances. Reassessment of feelings. Giving her the space to decide if she's genuinely interested or just enjoyed the attention. Distance has a unique way of providing perspective. The space created by your absence can be a period of introspection for her. She may use this time to evaluate her feelings towards you. Was it a genuine connection she felt, or was it the allure of attention and the thrill of the chase? This pause can help her understand her emotions better and decide her next course of action. Empowerment. It's my turn to take the lead and initiate. In today's age, when equality in relationships is more sought after than ever, her reaction might be to take matters into her own hands. If she senses a pullback, she might consider it an opportunity to step up and initiate conversations or meetings. This approach not only demonstrates her interest, but also emphasizes the idea that relationship dynamics are a two-way street. Speculating external factors. Maybe he's just busy at work or facing personal issues. Given the benefit of the doubt, she might speculate that external factors, separate from the budding relationship, are causing the shift in behavior. She may rationalize that work pressures, personal challenges, or family issues might be overwhelming you, leading to your perceived distance. Talking it out. She might confide in friends or family to get their perspective. When in doubt, many turn to their trusted circle of friends or family. By sharing her feelings and concerns, she seeks validation, advice, or merely a fresh perspective. Such discussions can provide comfort, alternate viewpoints, or even just a listening ear to help her navigate through her feelings. Doubt about his authenticity, wondering if his initial interest was genuine. When a man's pursuit suddenly cools off, it can plant seeds of doubt regarding his initial intentions. Was he truly interested, or was it all a fleeting fascination? She might ponder on the authenticity of the shared moments, conversations, and affections. Was it all genuine, or was there an ulterior motive? Missing the attention. Even if she wasn't very interested, everyone enjoys feeling wanted. Even if her interest in the relationship wasn't profound, the attention and validation that came from being pursued are universally enjoyed. When that attention suddenly wanes, there's a natural void. The absence of those good morning texts or check-in calls might leave her feeling unexpectedly empty, even if she hadn't envisioned a future together. Reevaluating compatibility. Maybe we weren't right for each other after all. Distance often offers clarity. The break in pursuit might lead her to introspect and reassess the compatibility they shared. She might reflect on shared values, interests, and long-term goals, wondering if they were truly aligned or if the attraction was primarily superficial. Anger or resentment, feeling that she was led on or that the effort she put into the relationship was in vain. If she felt a deep connection or invested emotionally and physically into the relationship, the sudden shift in your behavior could spark feelings of anger or resentment. Feeling led on or that her time and emotions were toyed with can lead to negative emotions. She might feel that the effort, time, and emotional investment she put into building a potential relationship was all for nothing. Acknowledging red flags. Recollecting any warning signs or reasons the distancing might be beneficial. In the silence and space, a woman might begin to reflect upon the interactions that led up to the change. Were there warning signs or red flags she overlooked? Sometimes when infatuation is strong, it's easy to gloss over inconsistencies or behaviors that upon reflection might not align with her values or desires in a partner. This period might allow her to objectively evaluate the relationship and recognize if the distancing is perhaps a blessing in disguise. Moving on, accepting the situation and being open to other potential relationships. While the initial reaction might be one of confusion or hurt, with time, acceptance begins to seep in. She may come to terms with the fact that if it's meant to be, it will be. With that acceptance, the doors to other possibilities begin to open. She might start being more receptive to other potential relationships or decide to take some time for self-love and growth. Reflecting on communication. Considering reaching out for clarity or closure, everyone deserves clarity, especially when emotions are involved. After the initial wave of emotion, she might consider reaching out to understand the sudden change. This step isn't about reigniting the spark, but seeking closure. An open conversation can often clear misunderstandings, provide insights, and even offer a fresh perspective on the situation. Gratitude. In retrospect, she might feel thankful for the experience and the lessons learned. Every relationship, irrespective of its duration or depth, offers lessons. Once the dust settles, she might feel gratitude for the moment shared, the emotions felt, and the lessons learned. Whether it's understanding her own boundaries better, recognizing what she seeks in a partner, or just cherishing the memories, the experience as a whole contributes to her personal growth journey. You've just unveiled the mystery of her inner world when you step back, but have you ever wondered about the physical features she secretly loves in men? Or what's behind the strategy high-value men use on women? Thanks for watching. If this video added value, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.